Fast exercise. Jumping jacks. Begin standing, then jump feet apart while raising arms overhead. Return to start. Repeat for a cardio workout in limited space. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next exercise.
Perform squat thrust, stand, drop to push-up position, do a push-up, return to squat, jump up, repeat for a full body workout and cardio benefits.
Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next exercise.
Arm circles, stand tall, extend arms to sides, make circular motions. Rotate clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds.
Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Rest. Next exercise. Perform the sliding floor bridge curl using a towel under feet. Lie on back, lift hips, slide feet in out while curling legs. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Rest. Next exercise, bodyweight standing calf raise. Stand tall, lift heels, flex calves. Lower heels, repeat. Keep movements controlled and focus on the calf muscles. 10-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next exercise, diamond push-up. Strengthen your chest and triceps with diamond push-ups. Place hands in a diamond shape, lower body, and push up for a targeted upper body workout. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next exercise, push-up. Start plank position, hands shoulder width. Lower chest to floor, elbows bent. Push back up. Keep body straight. Repeat for a full push-up workout. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Rest. Next exercise, shoulder tap. Plank position, alternate tapping shoulders with opposite hands. Keep core engaged, hips steady. Control movements, aim for stability. Repeat. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next exercise, Superman. Lie face down, arms extended in front. Inhale, lift arms, chest, and legs off the ground. Hold briefly, engaging back muscles. Exhale, lower to starting position. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next exercise, Superman row with towel. Superman rows engage your back muscles effectively. To perform, lie face down, hold a towel in front, and lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground simultaneously. It's a superb exercise for building a strong back. Ten-second slap. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Workout complete.